Hi everyone. Here's how you can access the iReady online instruction information to share with families for individual student information. First, you can go to Reports and then click on Student, Online Instruction, and then Math. Then you can go up to this box and you can type in an individual student name, or you can go ahead and scroll down and pick the student that you want to get information on. And I'm going to pick this student. And this screen is going to show you all the information currently that you can show parents at conferences. And this information is current, and it will show you growth from the beginning of the year till now. So it is broken down into domains, and you're going to see in green, that's the on-grade level. All of these blue lines indicate the growth that the student is making. You can see for the activity how many lessons they've passed, how much time they have had on the task, and if you keep scrolling down, it breaks it down into the individual lessons, and it tells you what was passed, what was not passed, the scores, how much time they had on task, and then the dates they started and the dates they finished. So this is very valuable information that you can share with parents at conference time. If you did want to print this out, you can go up here to the PDF, click on that, and there is a document that you can print out. But it's just as easy to pull up and share with parents. I hope this is helpful to you.